In this video, we will explain the interface in Panomio. In this example, we use a picture of an aircraft cockpit. You will use a picture of the environment you want your learners to be familiar with. You see the content you build in the menu on the left. If you want to create a new lesson, click Add New and select Linear Flow, Hotspot Map, or Test, whichever suits your training goals. The submenu serves for structuring your lessons within the menu. It works as a standard folder, which allows you to structure your content. Let's start with the linear flow. You can use the linear flow to build a guided tour within your environment. In this example, you can see how linear flow is used to guide a learner through a specific procedure in the aircraft. You can also use the linear flow for instructions that require a multi-step process. You can also use it to explain how to inspect a specific area. Let's move on to the hotspot map. You can use the hotspot map to focus on environment familiarization. In this example, you can see how a hotspot map is used to instruct a learner about the location of safety equipment in the cockpit. You can also use the hotspot map if you want to deliver an interactive and explorative learning experience. It is also suitable for onboarding courses where learners get familiar with the environment. You can use the test to assess learners' knowledge interactively. In this example, learners can practice their knowledge by performing the procedure they learned before. The test can also include multiple choice, multiple responses, and sortation questions. Let's dig deeper into each lesson type. This is what a linear flow looks like with content already built. You have a list of steps on the right. Click on the plus icon to add a new step. Locate the step in the picture. Choose the content type that you wish to add and confirm. Easily reorder the steps or modify previously created content. Preview your changes instantly. Let's look at the hotspot map. As you can see, the interface is very similar to the one in the linear flow. On the right side, you can see a list of all hotspots. You can click the hotspot within the background image to find it in the list faster and modify the content. If you wish to create a new hotspot, click the plus icon. Choose hotspot type and locate it on the picture. Here you have more space on the screen, and you can also use different layouts for your content. Again, you can preview the changes instantly. Now we will look into the test. The content is on the right, as in the other lesson types. You can modify the content by clicking it. You can create a new one by clicking the plus icon. In this example, we will add a hidden area to create a blind test for practicing procedures. All you have to do is highlight which area will be considered a correct answer. Highlight the area by clicking on the screen like this. Once satisfied with the highlight, Press the spacebar and click Done. Name the location and that's it. You can repeat the process to create a blind test for the whole procedure, or you can combine it with questions.